Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy way to unlock the Logistic Beaver Achievement in Heartopia. So Heartopia actually has a secret achievement that called Logistic Beaver like this. And the good news is it's really simple to get. To unlock this achievement, you just need to accumulate 5,000 fresh sprout for a team during the build challenge. So right now Heartopia has a beaver cup build challenge like this, and then in here your team need to accumulate 10,000 10,000 fresh sprout for the team currency like this. And in here, when you successfully accumulate 5,000 of it, you can unlock this achievement automatically like this. You can get this achievement, and to get until 5,000 fresh sprout is very easy. You can just do the daily quest that in here you can get the fresh sprout as a reward, or you can also do the weekly request. Just complete the weekly request or daily quest like on here, and you can also get the fresh sprout from the selling activities. You can just selling any items that you want on this build challenge sale like this, and with selling your items you can get the fresh sprout over here. And okay, that's it. So make sure just accumulate the fresh sprout until you get the 5,000 and you will unlock this achievement, the Logistic Beaver Achievement. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.